Welcome to this compact video. Today, another small update on the Chemical Works interior cleaning pad, specifically the scrub pad. I got a new fresh one so that I can show it to you perfectly. This is, so to speak, the so-called old version. Products naturally continue to evolve, and it was already clear when the first version was released that the second version would definitely receive an update. And I brought you the update here. I ordered 2 pads for myself. At this point, there are even already... Of course, I got 2 individual ones again. And a few days later, the 3-pack arrived. I believe it costs around $14.90 for 3, so just under 15s. And you can already see what has changed. And the V now has this scrub fiber on both sides, so to speak. There were also many surveys, and even during the first testing of this first version, before it even hit the market, for example. Johann from Bauwitsch Aufbereitung, or Oscar himself, or Joseph, and I also said that you actually use this side. There are definitely people among you who also use this side, but the majority actually only use this scrub fiber because most of you then use an external microfiber cloth, and so do I. I have also noticed it again and again. Hold the pad, work with it, and then you somehow realize, yes, the side is now completely dirty. Then you have to take a new pad, because you can definitely use this backside for small things, for a quick wipe, or, for example, to spread something. But what it's really about, namely this scrub surface, I quickly realized that it would actually be cool if it were on both sides, because then you can work with one side and then say, okay, it's too dirty, I'll take a new side, just flip the pad over and use the second side. And that's why there was also the update right away. And now it has finally arrived. And this is what it looks like, completely in snow white. The seam around here is also completely white. That has also changed. And now you have this scrub fiber on both sides. Now, one important note for those, because I have already spoken with a few people. If you have the part at home, you don't have to throw it away and get the second variant, which can also be wonderfully connected to each other due to the fiber. You don't have to immediately get the V here. That's not what I'm about at all, I just want to update you that there is now the new variant, and this variant completely replaces variant 1. So, if you want to get a new pad in the future, because the first one here is worn out or doesn't clean as well anymore, because it has simply aged and has been used quite often, then you will receive this version with the dual-sided fiber. But if you already have it at home, then please use it first. And with that, you actually have 2 pads in one if you are looking for this scrub fiber. A quick update on this, because the handling has not changed and the application areas have not changed, you can still use it on leather. Please start with a sponge first. You can use it for plastic parts. You can use this for everything where this fiber works well. I just wouldn't. I wouldn't rub it on paint, that's not done, but otherwise it can be used very nicely everywhere. And now on both sides. Until then, folks, you will now also see both versions again and again. You will also see these things in future videos because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, so they will still be used by me. But I just wanted to share this update with you. If you have any questions about it, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, have fun with both variants, and we'll see each other again next time for the next video. Sebastian 2001, have fun, bye.